Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to register on AVBOB using different ways. This is a step-by-step guide. First thing, you do need a referral link. So after you just click the referral link and then it will open a page like this. So with this page, guys, you just need to confirm first that your sponsor is the right one. So this is my name, Lindy Ngobe. I also have LindyShirries. So if you see LindyShirries as well, it is a correct one. I also have Tine. I also have LindyShirries. So now you select the sponsor there. And then the next thing, you enter your first name, your last name, your email, and then your password. So with the password, you can just use your name and a surname and then use a special character or numbers. And then you confirm your password. And then you enter your number. Guys, your number must start with +27. You can just copy from your phone exactly and then paste it here. And then you accept the terms and then you click create account. So after clicking create account, it will take you to another page. In that page, that's where you are going to add your address. So now let's just go to the next page so you see what I'm talking about. So here you select South Africa, you select the region, Gauteng, city. If you're staying in Tembisa, you put Tembisa. If you're staying in Midrand, you put Midrand. If you're staying in Eastern Cape, you just select your other province. And then under company, don't put anything, guys. Phone number will be populated. And then you click next. And then here you can pay in store or you can pay online. I'm just going to show you how to pay online first. Then we'll come back to paying in store. So under pay in store, you'll wait for an SMS. Also, I'll show you how to download the invoice. Pay online, you click it and then you just click make a payment. This is when you are going to use your phone, connect to your banking app, or you can use shops like Checkers has another one. So you just click SID instant EFT. So this one I like it because after paying you already become active. Whereas with the other ones, you have to wait. So now when it gets to this part, Capitec is temporarily not available. But then the other banks are correctly linked. So you can just select your bank, connect, transfer the 99 Rand. It will guide you step by step. The second option is to pay using your card. Your card must have Mastercard in front of it. So you enter your card details, your CVV, which is the number behind your card, and then you enter, you click pay. So I'm now going to show you how to pay in store. You can also pay online using the apps that the stores have, like Checkers. So when you get here, it's important to listen, guys. You see they're saying when you pay in store, you get an email or a WhatsApp with a store reference, and then you just click pay now. So now I'm going to show you how to get this. When you scroll down, you'll see an invoice. It looks like this. So you can download this invoice and take it to these shops like PEP, Checkers, Boxer. You can download this invoice and take it there. You can just print it and take it there. Oh, now I'm going to show you how to pay online using even your Checkers app. You can even use your bank, but then you do need a pay number. Can you see? To pay now, you need a pay number. You get it from what? From your invoice. So you just paste this pay number, which is in your invoice, guys. Don't use any other pay number. When you get here, it should say something with your name and your surname, and then the amount to pay. So can you see how many options you have? You can pay with a bank, you can pay with ShopRite app, you can pay with NetBank, you can pay with SnapScan, you can pay with Zapper, you can even choose EFT, you can choose ShopRite Money Market app as well. You can also choose pay in store. So guys, I'm going to show you how to pay in store. So when you go and check, you will click here where it says pay in store. So now there's EFT, there's ShopRite, and then pay in store. Let's just look at which shops you can go pay. So can you see these are the shops you are going to use? You can go to PEP, Pick and Pay, ShopRite, YouSave, or ShopRite. They have an app, you can use it, or if you have a SnapScan, you can just use the other method as specified. So these are the shops you can use to pay. So now let's just go back because I am going to use Capitec. So Capitec, remember with the other option, it didn't work. But here, it does work because it connects to your bank. So once you click Capitec, guys, click Capitec, and then you say pay with Capitec Pay. And then it will want you to enter your number that is linked to your Capitec account. You enter it. And then you leave this site. You go to your Capitec app because it gives you 1 minute and few seconds to connect. So I am now on my Capitec app. I have logged in. Can you see it says pay? And then you just enter your password, and then it will pay. So automatically when you log in, it will just pop up, and then you just enter the amount. You don't even enter the amount because it's already there. You just click pay. So now I am done paying, so I have to close this. I can just click continue,